Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Charger side mirror glass. Start by parking safely, turning off power, and removing the mirror housing carefully. I will guide you through detaching the old glass, cleaning the backing, and fitting the new heated or manual glass. Follow my step-by-step tips to avoid cracking clips or damaging wiring and to ensure proper alignment. I will explain how to remove the old mirror without hurting the housing or heating wires. Pry gently around the perimeter, then lift the glass away from the motor clips using steady pressure. If the mirror is glued, warm the adhesive slightly and work slowly to loosen it. Keep all screws and clips labeled so reassembly is faster and less confusing when you fit the new glass. I will help you install the new glass so it sits flush and the heating still works. Clean the backing, apply adhesive or use the clip system provided, then seat the glass into the motor assembly. Reconnect any wiring and test the adjustment functions and defrost if applicable. Make small alignment tweaks as needed and let adhesive cure fully before driving to prevent loosening on bumps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.